Hi all, good evening. I am online, sharp on time. I want to see who all are here. Hi Nikita. Hi everybody. No, let me see. Shakshi, hi. Afsa, Agarwal, Wishes, hi. I'm all set, all ready for this Christmas thing. Okay. Rashi Sood, hi, welcome. Hi Girish. Hi Agarwal. Hi everybody. Since so many are there, let me just wow, I can see those hearts going up. That's nice. I always like all this thing going on. Okay, so here we start a live session. Today is going to be something really nice, and I've got two reasons to be very, very, very happy. First and foremost, we have got a write up about us in Bhopal, that is Times. So we are very happy about it. You all must have seen it on my story. We put it over there. So actually very happy, and this all goes only and only because of my Insta followers. Thank you so much. I feel so good. I feel like, I'm part of you all. Whenever I'm here, I feel, I'm talking to you. You all are exchanging so many things, and some of you all are so often with me that I know what is your question going to be. So, in case, if I missed out anybody, please excuse me. Most welcome, all of you all. And I would like to say two things very clearly to all of you, as always, that when you all are asking me questions, please ask me a question in brief, in capital letter and bold. Seeing problem, you know that now. So please make sure that your questions are all in capital letters and bold, so I can see and I can reply to you all. And secondly, I would also want to tell you all that I hope you all are all set to go for your 31st party, right? Enjoy, good, but just be safe, guys. This Omicron is creating havoc all around, so be safe. And what else do I start with? So I'm all set to take your questions, but just be very specific about your questions. Make sure you all ask me in capital letters so that I can read and I can answer your questions. Is it? Any more things? What else is coming? Devanshi Malik, hi. You've come after very long. Yes. There is so many people already. My career in 2000. Okay. Shall we start a session? Please make sure it's in capital letters. Okay. And see this, my Christmas tree. This is my house Christmas tree. What I've got it here, so that we have that Christmas atmosphere. Okay. So let me start with the session. So you all can ask me any questions, whatever you feel like asking me. So we are going to have around 45-minute session today, 45 minutes to 1 hour, and you all know it always crosses that an hour limit. So don't worry, I have ample of time today. We can just start with the session, and whatever questions you are, just shoot in, and I'm ready to start. Okay, so let's go and start the session. Who is the first one to whom I should answer? I already have so many questions. So here it is saying, when will my boyfriend talk to his parents about me for the marriage? Okay, let us see, when will your boyfriend talk about yourself? So we are all set with our cards, and let's see what the cards have to say. Let me just shuffle the card. Let us exchange the energies, and we are ready to go. Okay. Yes. So here we are going to start. All the best to everyone. I have also making good all positive energies around, so that whatever answer I'm giving, it will make some sense. Now we are going to be answering. 1 second, I'm just adjusting my camera. So now I have to wear my when will my boyfriend talk to his parents about me for marriage, and will it get fixed with him? Okay, you have not given me your name, dear. Acha, Devanshi Malik. Okay, first question is from Devanshi Malik, so I'm going to answer to your question. Devanshi, your cards are really good. You have got 8 of Wands, which says that you are going to be getting news very, very fast regarding your boyfriend talking to the parents regarding yourself. And I think the judgment is going to be positive because you have got a judgment card. If you can see this card, it's a judgment card. So it says that whatever is going to come is going to be in your favor because we are doing the reading for you. And your third card is Fortune of Wheel. So if you have this Fortune of Wheel, means from east, west, north, south, you're going to be receiving all good news. So all the best, Devanshi. I always tell you all to keep me updated, but nobody does that. Please try to update me if at all my answers are resonating with you. Thank you so much. I'll take the next question. Okay. Now who is this? Kirti XX. I am answering to yours. Will my ex release his mistake and our reconciliation? Okay. KRITZZ. I am answering to you. Why don't you all give me your name so it's easy for me to pronounce? Okay, so we are shuffling the cards. Will your ex realize his mistake and will reconcile it? Let's see, Kirti. Let us see. I'll give you a good detailed answer. Okay. Sorry, Kita, your card is not that very positive. It seems that he is working on it, but he is not going to get success. It's not that he is not very serious about it. He is trying to put all possible efforts what he can, but there is something which is, not letting the things happen. Maybe there's some person who's trying to influence him or something, due to which he cannot decide, or they must be telling him that he's got much more better choices. So I think it will take time. Maybe, Kirti, you can take this reading again after 3 months or something when the energies are changing, so we can try and give some better reading. But right now I don't see any positive card, darling. But definitely you can come back to me and I will definitely answer you. Okay, bye. Okay. Now what is this? This is a reconciliation. I've already answered. Okay, now we have Nikita Ghai. Nikita, you're asking me, will I take admission in PhD course in near future? Okay. Wow, yeah, you're too intelligent to get an admission in PhD. What you doing? That's really nice. Let me see what the cards have to say for you. For you to get into it, it's not going to be that very difficult, but for you to continue with those studies, it looks a bit different. There will be 2 options for you. Maybe, some option which you really need to think 10 times before you get into it, because it's really going to be very, very, very tough for you. But all the best, Nikita. Keep trying. Okay, I'll take another answer. Okay, now we are taking Babita. Babita Jangara, I'm answering to myself Babita. Glad to meet you, Babita. It's good that you're giving me name. It's so easy to, read the name and ask, because half the time I'm struggling to answer, understand the name only. Okay, Babita wants to know, I want to know about reunion with my friend Sachin. Will we reunite? Okay, Babita, I am reading. Give me 2 minutes. This time I'm going to give little bit of detailed reading. Normally I give little shorter reading, but don't worry. This I'm going to give, and if there is something really serious, you can DM me and I will try to give you a little further answer on that. But provided I remember the card. Because I'm doing so many readings, it won't be possible for me to remember the card. Okay, Babita, we are opening your card. Babita, it seems you're going through a sad time, like you're thinking too much about him, things are not falling in place, you're too worried about how the things are going to go around. But I think Sachin is like all ready, he's all pepped up and ready. Like, why am I saying he's all pepped up is because, see this, we've got wand and we've got this prince sitting on the uh, horse, and it is 6 of wand. And wand basically means, you are going to be getting energies, very fast energies. Maybe, in few months, March, April, May, maybe you will get something really positive which is going to be coming up for you, and you have to let me know regarding this. Maybe you'll find something good, and if he's working on it, you will get positive news. I hope, Babita, I could answer your question. Do let me know how is my reading. Where are the heart, guys? I'm only talking. I need to see something moving on my screen. Babita, if you're happy, please give me some heart or some kind of a thing where I come to know you're listening to me. Okay. Now we have Diksha Yadav. Thank you. Thank you. I can see the hearts going up. Thank you. Diksha Yadav, 14 April. I don't want the date of birth. Please just give me your question in capital letters. I want to know about my career. Okay, Diksha, I like your name. That's so nice. 1 second. So many hearts. I love you all. 1 sec. Let me see, Diksha. I want to know about my career. Look at this. Such a positive card. It seems you were too pepped up about the things, Diksha, that you're going to get many things, and you mustn't have got that reply or that response from the person wherever you must have applied for. But I can see there is something really good coming your way. Maybe, in autumn, say around September, October, you're going to be in your creamiest of part. Like, you're really going to receive something really good news around September, October, November. Because these are the pentacles, so they are normally, very nice energies. These are autumn energies, so we normally consider pentacles, it is related to autumn. They are little slow moving energies, so that's the reason we have to say, that it's going to take time. Had this card been of sword, I would have told you that you're going to get response now, immediately. Say Jan mid, you would have got the answer. But you've got this pentacles, so it's a slow moving energy. Okay. So now, Diksha, please, 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 yes. Whoever likes my answer, please give me those hearts going up. I love it. Now we have Jatni. Hi, Jatni, how are you? You were also my lucky winner, right? If I'm not mistaken. Jatni, what you want to know? Shivani Chauhan. क्या मेरी 2022 में गवर्नमेंट जॉब लगेगी? Okay, Jatni, let me see. 1 minute. Let me just check. In 2022, will you get your job? 100% you'll get a government job. You will get a job. I'm not saying it's a government job. It also says you may get something from the place from where you're not staying, somewhere far away. But definitely you're going to receive something which you are going to be happy about. Yeah, so keep your fingers crossed. हो सकता है शायद कुछ अच्छी न्यूज़ आ जाए. Okay, thank you. Now, hi Rasila, how are you? Why you're so late today? आज काफ़ी लेट आए आप. Where is your question? Okay, Khushbu, when will I get pregnant with my second baby? Okay, so sweet, Khushbu. Let me see what your cards are saying. When will you get pregnant with your second baby? Let's see. What do you want, girl or a boy? Though we cannot predict that, but I am just asking you in common. Maybe you will get some news very soon regarding your second pregnancy, but there will be lots of issues connecting to your health. Like, some issues where you'll have to take a decision whether you should go for it or not. That is because, see, you've got your third card as a justice card. Justice, like, you have to decide something what is coming you're not sure about. So that's the reason I'm saying, please excuse me if I hurt your feelings in any ways, but I have to say what the cards have for you. I cannot just say anything to please you. So Khushbu, your cards are positive, but you will have some kind of an issue. I wish you all the best. Okay. You can message me. I'll try if I can give you some meditational card, because that really helps for positivity around. Okay, Khushbu? Where are the hearts? I'm done with my answer. Now let me see who's there after Khushbu. After Khushbu, we have Agarwal. Garima. Okay, Garima, what is your question? Garima, my person's name is Kamal. कमल के साथ रिकंसाइल इन 2022 में होगा, कैसे रहेगा ये ईयर? हे भगवान, क्या पूछ रहे हो आप? कमल के साथ रिकंसाइल होगा. यू वांट टू नो वेदर आपका रिकंसाइल कमल के साथ होगा कि नहीं, और हाउ विल योर ईयर बी. ओके, लेट मी सी पहले कमल के साथ आपका क्या होता है, व्हाट द कार्ड्स हैव टू से. ठीक है, रिकन्सिलेशन डेफिनेटली होगा. अभी के लिए यू आर टू सैड अबाउट थिंग्स. अभी के लिए यू हैव गॉट दिस कार्ड which is like, you are sad within, you are thinking too much about this person, which is, see, if you can see this card, like you had options, but you are thinking too much about this person. But reconciliation के पूरे chances है, because see, this person is sitting on this thing, and you've got a cup energy, which I can say around June, July, August, you'll be getting some positive news from this person. Okay. And regarding your year, it's going to be good, because you've got sword card, which is saying your days are really going to start nice. Wish you all a happy new year. Okay. So now, whom do we have? Shakshi. Nishant and Shakshi's relationship future. Give me guardians. You want to know, Shakshi, regarding your relationship with Nishant, and you want some future guardians. Let us see what the card have to say. Sorry, the cards are not shuffled properly. Give me 1 second. Those hearts are looking nice. It's really looking nice. Oh. Let me see, Shakshi, what are the... Shakshi, I don't see any great things happening now, but future I see it's showing good results. Like you may get some, like you can get something good news regarding relationship, but definitely it's going to take time. Around spring, maybe from the south direction, because your cards are wand. So these are normally, very nice cards, and they are like, little faster energies. Like fastest is the wand, then we sword. Then we have wand. Wand is like, in swords you get results in few days. In wand you get results in few weeks, so definitely you will be getting some good news, but since it's not in the season card, you should be expecting somewhere around March. All the best. Makeup story, my career in 2022, I'm professional makeup artist. Okay, makeup story, I'm answering to your question. Yes, those hearts, I can see those hearts. For time being, it's going to go good. You have got some kind of an opportunity which is going to come to your way, connecting to your profession. Please think about it, and if you feel it's going to be beneficial to you, you should take it. And there will be some lady kind of a figure. You got an empress, means it's an elderly lady who's going to be giving you some kind of an advice regarding your professional. Do listen to her. but don't get yourself stuck. That, believe yourself that you can do it. You will do it. Definitely you'll do it. All the best. I know this noise must be bothering you now. Rupinder Kaur, I want to know when was my marriage. When was my marriage? Rupinder, I'm not understanding your question. What are you trying to say? I want to know when was my marriage. Sorry. When was my marriage? Or I'm sorry. You'll have to frame your question properly. I'm not understanding, Rupinder Kaur. शिवनाई चौहान, क्या 2022 में मेरी गवर्नमेंट जॉब लगेगी? शिवनाई जटनी, आई हैव ऑलरेडी आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन ना. भरद्वाज अंकु, प्रतिभा शर्मा. अच्छा, प्रतिभा शर्मा, यू आर आस्किंग मी अ क्वेश्चन, व्हेन विल आई गेट सक्सेस इन करियर? आई एम अ स्टूडेंट. ओके प्रतिभा, लेट मी सी योर कार्ड. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? लेट मी सी व्हाट योर कार्ड्स आर सेइंग. Your cards for career are saying for time being it looks really good. You may be having some phase in which you are going to be having too much of a decision making, where you have to use your brains whether you should really go for it or not. Don't listen to your heart, listen to your brain. He will never go wrong in guiding you, because heart sometimes it says yes, no, it's in two mind, but your brain will definitely decide what is right for you. So do listen to it, and all the best. Your cards are good. You will have issues, but you will overcome it. You are a brave, yeah. You are a brave girl, Pratibha. Okay, bye. Where are the hearts? Again, nothing on my this thing. Hi, Suraj. How are you? Okay. Now this is Rajni Vishwan. Hey, ma'am. Please, रजनी का बताइए. किसका बताऊँ डियर में? हे मैम, प्लीज़ रजनी का बताइए. बट मैं क्या बताऊँ? व्हाट इज़ योर क्वेश्चन डियर? मुझे आपका क्वेश्चन मालूम होना चाहिए ना आंसर देने के लिए. मैं क्या बताऊँ? प्लीज़ आपका क्वेश्चन बराबर फ्रेम करिए आप. थैंक यू. सूरज, थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम कम्प्लीटली ऑलराइट, फिट एंड फाइन. ओके अग्रवाल, माई नेम इज़ गरिमा. कमल के साथ रिकन्सिलेशन होगा, दैट तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. Now let me take some questions which I already have because I already have more than 50 questions which people have already sent me on my WhatsApp. So just let me answer to them. Okay, just I'll answer to your questions. Okay, this is Shahi. She's saying, "Ma'am, I'm Sahistya. Will I get a job by clearing TNPS exam and Love Guardians?" Okay, you want to know whether you'll get a job or not, right? Sastya, I'm seeing your thing, and you also need a Love Guardians. I am seeing your card. Yes, people, where are the hearts? Satya, 2 minutes. Satya, your cards are very positive, and I feel that you will definitely have a better option where you are going to be selecting regarding your exams, which is known as TNPSC. I don't know what is a full form, but it is a very positive card. You may be getting some issues in between. You only need to give some better work. Your hard work will definitely pay for it. Okay, I hope I could answer your question. Anybody online which has not asked me can just answer, because I'm taking some of the questions which I already have. Okay. Okay, now we have Ritik Chaudhary. Ma'am, नाम ऋतिक चौधरी. डेट ऑफ बर्थ आई डोंट नीड. ऋतिक, आपका है गवर्नमेंट जॉब कब लगेगा? ओके ऋतिक जी, मैं आपका कार्ड देख रही हूँ. 2 minutes. Ritik, I don't know about particularly government job का नहीं, but you will definitely get something very positive news very soon, and it is going to be connecting to your job only. All the best, Ritik. Please keep me updated. हाथ किधर है भैया? I want something going. Yes, that's great. That's great. That's so nice. So, Ritik, all the best. Now I'll take one question from here, which is from Sabia. Sabia has already, like, she's just sent me some hi. Now, Nikki Soni is asking me March 95. I don't want your date of birth, darlings. I just need your question with your name. When will I get married and some characteristic of the future spouse? Okay, you want to know to whomever you get married, how is he going to look and when will you get married? Am I right, Nikita? Nikki? Chalo, let me see Nikki Soni. You've asked me earlier also, na? Let me see what your card have to say. When will I get married? There is some news which you can see, but it's not showing me some very fast. Maybe it will take time. Around October, November, you may be getting some news, and whenever you get this news in those months, see, because basically you have got Pentacle card. Pentacle means, again I will repeat, it's a like very slow moving energy. See, you, why am I saying Pentacle? Because you can see all these coins, we call it as Pentacle card. So this is your Pentacle card. So this is basically a very slow moving, and these are autumn cards. Autumn cards means anywhere regarding September, October, November, you may be getting some news connecting to a boy or a marriage. And definitely the boy, whomever you're going to be, is really going to be nice for you. So all the best. Okay, I hope you are convinced. हार्ट दो यार. Yes, अब तो मैं ऐसा करूँगी, आगे ही नहीं जाऊँगी till time I don't see hearts. Okay. Daisy, hi. Okay. Now this is Arvind. He's asking me myself, Arvind Singh. Hi, I want to know about on first sight what Elisa's first thought about me. Okay, you want to know what is Elisa thinking about you right now. Okay, so I will give you the current energies, what Elisa is thinking about you. Alicia, sorry. Hey, please excuse me if I pronounce the spelling or the name wrong. Just shuffling the card so that I get some nice card. Sensitive question. Aha, that is nice. So many hearts. Okay. So Arvind, here I'm removing your cards. I'm sorry, it's not shuffle. I've got the same card what I will change my deck, because since long I'm using, I've got two sets. I will use this now. I was using this all this time. The same color but two different decks. I love this deck. These are right readers. Okay, so these are fresh deck. Let's see what this has to say. Okay. I want to know about the first sight what Alicia is thinking about you. What Alicia is thinking about you, she already knows that something is cooking, but she basically is not very much prepared right now. She has got some confusion right now, thinking whether she should go for this relationship now or not. Like, she just wants to take some time to get over it, and you two are all ready. Maybe you will receive some kind of a news, somewhere connecting March, April from her side, where she will be completely ready to answer. Like, what exactly does she feel about you? I wish I could answer to your question properly. Okay, thank you. This heart I should see, huh? Yes, thank you. Arvind, do let me know whether the questions are resonating or not. I'm telling everybody that you all should let me know how are the questions, whatever answers I'm giving, whether it's resonating or not. So I also feel nice now that whatever I'm saying, whether it's making some sense to you or not. So please make sure that you all answer, and you all do let me know how it is. And secondly, I also wanted to let you all know, since I'm live, I forgot to tell you about this, that we are coming up with this gift vouchers. we are coming up with this gift voucher for the people, anybody, who can use this gift vouchers to gift it to their loved ones, or maybe, anywhere they can insert in a wedding card, or, if you're a jeweler, anybody in this group, so you all can give it as a takeaway. And this is something like, it really helps how you all are here, and like I'm trying to guide you. So you all can always think about it. Okay, so this is small information I wanted to share with you all. So do think about my gift vouchers. Okay, I don't want to do that lots of marketing over here, because I know I'm live and I'm here only to answer to your questions. Okay, chalo, I'll take another question now. Now what is the other question? Okay, Arvind have taken. Riddhi Kalra, you've just joined. Hi. Riddhi Kaira, hi. Now what it is? रजनी मैम, मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन सेंड किया था. रजनी, कैन यू प्लीज़ गिव इट टू मी? मुझे वापस वो लैपटॉप पे जाके देखना पड़ेगा. लेट मी सी रजनी. योर क्वेश्चन, रजनी, आई विल टेक टाइम टू फाइंड दैट क्वेश्चन. No, Rajni, I think I will see it and I'll definitely answer to you. Okay, Rajni? Agarwal Garima, I've already answered your question. Sanya Singhal just joined. Hi, everybody. Hi, Ashish Kumar. Most welcome to in my live session. Okay. Now, second question somebody had sent me on WhatsApp. So let me take few questions from here as well. Okay. Okay, let me see. Here we have a question from Juhi. How will be 2022 for me? Juhi, I'm answering to your question. You're asking me how will your 2022 be. So let me see what your cards saying. Juhi, you're in two minds. You're not very much sure about what's going to happen. One part of yours is saying that yes, things are going to be positive, and other side of your part is saying nahi, you are going to go through a time, maybe ups and downs of life. So I think this is what your cards are saying. It may go okay, but only thing if you have some positive attitude towards it, so you'll see something nice coming up. Okay, here we have got another question. Okay, when will I get a government job? Who's asking me? Ritik Chaudhary. Ritik Chaudhary, I've already answered your question. Okay, Ritik, you're angry with me. You're telling me I'm trying to come on the live session. You're not answering, but I'll have to go one by one now. Chalo, Ritik, don't get angry. I will answer to you. Okay, Ritik Chaudhary. Ma'am, I'm trying in your life. Okay, Ritik, your cards are positive. You'll definitely see some good news coming to your way, and definitely there will be some lady who is going to be involved in that, in which you're going to get some good news. Okay, Ritik, I answered your question. Okay, Sanya Singhal, I want to know if me and my ex will get back together, and if possible, when. Okay, Sanya, I'm answering to your question about your ex. Will you all get back together or not? It will take time. Definitely it will take time, but there will be some news connecting to, you'll get some kind of intimation from him. Like say around March, April, you'll be getting some kind of a positive news, and you have to wait for that news. If you feel that is suiting you, you should go ahead. But I don't think so that he will not there are any cards which are saying that you'll have any issues. All the best, Sanya. Okay, art. My name is Prachi. Okay, career and love reading for me. Okay, Prachi, I'm doing your career and love reading. Please wait. Please, please, please wait. You have wheels of fortune, Prachi. So east, west, north, south. Your career is saying that you're going to be good. You're mostly done with most of your career, kind like you are decided what you want to do. And regarding love, you have got queens of pentacles. So it's going to take time. It's definitely going to take time, somewhere around October, November, because these are pentacles, very slow moving energy. So you have to wait. Okay. So now we have Gelot Nilish. Who is he? Suvarna Gupta. Okay, Suvarna Gupta ji, I'm taking your question. Suvarna Gupta 2022 मी soulmate मिलेगा क्या? आपको soulmate मिलेगा क्या in 2022? That's what you want to know, Suvarna. ठीक है, मैं आपके कार्ड्स देख रही हूँ. Sorry, it's not shuffled properly. Again, I got the same card what I got in my last reading. Soulmate, I don't see anything right now, but yes, after 4-5 months you will be getting some positive news, Suvarna. Keep me updated what it is, but definitely you'll get some positive news regarding your soulmate. So all the best. ओके, गेलोट का हो गया, गरिमा का हो गया, Ritik Chaudhary, I have answered. I've just answered your question. Gelod, I have answered. Wishes, ma'am, when will I get married? Wishes. Yes, I'm answering to you. Wishes. Your name is Neha? Let me see. When will you get married? You will receive some news very soon. Some kind of a positive news. You're definitely going to get it till Feb. And it's going to be very positive news connecting to marriage. So make sure you keep me updated about it. Hearts दीजिए. I can see it's a good news. Yes, एक दुखी सा हार्ट ऊपर गया. Okay, so wishes have answered. Okay. Now who's there? Whose question I have not taken? Arvind. My name Arvind Singh. Arvind, I have taken your question now. I want to know first side. This I've already taken. Rick's also I've taken. Crits. Myself, Kritika, I want to know about my career. Career ka to we've already taken, Crits. Is this Maya? I have already answered to your question. Now what is this PV? Ma'am, 2022 में मेरी गवर्नमेंट जॉब LG लग जाएगी क्या? Tell me about this. Okay, PV 9034. I'm answering to you. आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं आपका गवर्नमेंट जॉब लगेगा कि नहीं. So let me see. इतना complicated नाम, आप नाम लिख दीजिए ना आपका. So it becomes so much easier. Okay, 1 second. I'm just seeing. आपकी गवर्नमेंट जॉब तो नहीं, बट यू हैव रियली वर्कड वेरी हार्ड फॉर इट. इट सीम्स आप अभी भी काफ़ी काम कर रहे हैं उसके लिए. यू विल बी गेटिंग सम न्यूज़. दिस इज़ नॉट द एंड. डोंट थिंक दैट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट पॉजिटिव न्यूज़. यू विल हैव टू वर्क फॉर इट और आपको डेफिनेटली पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ मिलेगी. ओके, थैंक यू. ओके, रजनी पूजा नेम लिखा. Okay, what is this, Juila? What is my mother-in-law's current thinking about me? Oh God! If your mother-in-law comes to know you are consulting me, she's going to like, ah! 1 second, let me see. What? That time I did not tarot, so even I would have done that and seen, but those times I did not know tarot reading. Let me see. Very, very, very different question, Juija. Let me see. I really like this question. Seriously, I love this question. It's so different. Hmm. She's thinking that you're too musty, like, let go attitude. Like, this is your card. Like, it's a cliff. It's a card of a fool. Don't think she's not thinking you're a fool, but she thinks you're too young and, like, you need to know too many things. Abhi choti hai, you'll have to learn many things. She thinks that, it will be difficult for you to know or to go on with the relationship because she finds you very kiddish. Her opinion for you is like, you're too like happy go lucky person. Hua to theek hai, nahi hua to theek hai, that types. And otherwise there is no negative thing what she's thinking about you. She is a good this thing. In fact, your father-in-law, if at all you have, he is going to be good to you, or maybe any elderly person. If not a father-in-law, some male people are going to be there who is going to be loving you apart from your husband. This is an elderly person. Okay, all the best. Do keep me updated. Okay, so let me see now. Yes, I can see those hearts going. That is so good. Now, who is this? There, my chashma comes again. Jatni, I've already answered to your question. Wishes. What 2022? Wishes I've already answered, but let me see what 2022 holds for you in future. Good or bad, I'll tell you that. You're going to be very happy. 2022 is going to be nice, good, positive, with some nice news around you. So all the best wishes. रजनी, आपने अपना साथ में कंप्लीट और रजनी विश्वंत, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है. प्लीज़ कैन यू प्लीज़ अगेन फ्रेम योर क्वेश्चन. कुंजल सिंह, ऑब्सेस्ड. प्लीज़ दी टेक माइंड. कुंजल, आप पूछिए ना आपका क्या क्वेश्चन है. लेट मी सी. हाँ कुंजल, योर क्वेश्चन इज हियर. आई कैन सी इट ऑन माई दिस थिंग. वेयर इज़ योर क्वेश्चन कुंजल? Can I get the detail of payment of one question? Kunjal, you can ask me. I'm live. Why you want to pay money? You can ask me now. I'm there. Ask me. I'm there. I can answer to your question. Okay, Kunjal. Let me see something online also, dear. Because so many of them have already sent me. My name is Garima Agarwal. My personal name is Kamal. That I've already given you. Love you, Didi. Bahut sara. Wala. Thank you so much, Garima. Okay, now one question I got, which they really wanted me to leave it on when I'm going live because she's not able to attend as she had an office. So her question, I know what it is. So let me just give it to her, the answer. Payal, this is for you. Payal, you have got sword card which is saying it is a very fast moving energy, and very soon, maybe till Jan mid, you are going to be receiving that positive news of which you've been waiting from really long time. I remember your question very well, what you had asked me, and regarding that particular thing, you are going to get very fast. Maybe mid Jan or something, you are definitely going to message me or call me that yes, I received something positive, and it's really going to help you because it's connecting to wealth and other things what you wanted to know regarding financial prosperity. Everything is going to be really nice for you. So do keep me updated. Bye. Okay, now who else is there? Kunjal, I've already taken. Kainat, what is your question? Shubh, hi. Okay, we have got Jatni ma'am ne video at 10. Okay, Jatni, I'm getting your messages on my laptop also. Pallavi Chopra, when will I get engaged with my loved one? Okay, Pallavi, 1 second, let me see. गरिमा, आप वापस आ गए. वेरी गुड टू सी यू. 1 second, पल्लवी, मैं आपका आंसर दे रही हूँ. व्हेन विल यू गेट एंगेज विथ योर लव? Pallavi, I don't see any positive news now. There will be some female who would be instigating your better half, whoever it is. There will be some lady who's going to be involved to get the things bit delayed. So wait, and even your person, whoever you're planning to get engaged, he himself thinks that he has got many choices, and he still wants to wait for something best which is going to come to his way. So please wait, Pallavi. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Afia Parveen, please man reply. प्लीज़ आप मुझे क्वेश्चन भेजिए, आई विल रिप्लाई. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? Kunal Jai Singh. Kunal Jai Singh, what have you sent me? Let me see. Kunal Jai Singh, you're telling me Naz and he is Umar Rajput. Is he happy without me? Please, take mine. Okay. I'm taking your question. Kunal Jai Singh, I'm answering to your thing. Naz and he is Umar Rajput. Will he be happy without me? You want to know whether the person is going to be happy without you in his life, right? I am trying to answer to you, Naz. I'm trying to answer about Naz and Umair. This is from Kunal Jai Singh. Well, he's thinking for timing. He's made a very good decision. Very, very, very good decision that he's going to be happy. But somewhere within his mind, he's thinking that, he needs to rethink about the whole thing again, and maybe he'll contact you then. But for timing, he's very much excited about everything what is going on. But after a few months or something, he will realize that, there is something missing. So maybe there will be something coming up. Okay, bye. Okay, now who else is left? Guys, it's 6:30. After 1 hour any which ways this live session will go. So I will take the last question or second last question. Let me see who is there. Jaspreet Kaur, waiting for the visa since so long. Kab milega? Jaspreet Kaur, this is something to do with Canada, if I'm not mistaken. 1 second, Jaspreet, let me see. When will you get your visa? Jaspreet, your cards are positive. You will definitely get something really positive news, because you've got the Magician card. Magician normally says that you've got all possible things, like you've 100% done all your work, you are sorted, you are done with all your queries and whatever it is. You just have to wait for some time, and definitely you are going to get it very, very, very soon. Let me tell you, approximately very early, maybe 3 or 4 months, you'll be getting some positive news. Okay, Gaylord. I have already answered to Gaylord. Kunjal, I've already answered to you also. So guys, how is the Josh? How is everybody enjoying my session? All fine? Well, want to see my Christmas tree? See, this is my Christmas tree. Nice, na? So guys, I think I've taken so many questions already. Thank you so much for being a part of it, and I seriously feel that I could answer to most of y'all. But don't worry, whoever has given me answers in my WhatsApp, day first, I will definitely answer to them. And you all know I always reply you back whenever it is, in case of real urgency. And if you all have really something going up and you really need a solution, you can message me and you tell me it is urgent. And if I feel the question is really urgent, I will 200% answer to it. Only when it is urgent. And don't tell me just like that only, ma'am, it is urgent, you have to send, you have to reply. So please make sure that only and only if you feel that it's really urgent and you're not getting any solutions, you all are most welcome to contact me. You all have got my numbers. You all know this Instagram. You can type in there. You can leave your details and we will get back to you. That we always do, right? So be happy. Take care of your New Year. It's coming. It's just a day long. Like you just have to wait for one more day and you're going to be celebrating your New Year's. So all the best. Keep in touch. Do let me know whether my answers were resonating to you all or not. I have tried my level best to give all answers whatever I could in details, and in case anybody, whoever I have missed out, I am sorry for that, but you all can message me and I will reply you back. I always do that. So let's have some celebrations of New Year. Let me see some hearts going up, yaar. Yes, that's so nice. That's so nice. Thank you so much. Seriously, thanks a lot. Okay. So, bye for now. Take good care of yourself. I love you all. Okay. Bye bye. See y'all. I'm just trying to exit from here. Okay, one more question. Pooja Devi. Okay, chal, I'll take your question. क्या करूँ? I can't resist. If I see something, I have to answer ना. Can't just leave her like that since I'm closing. पूजा देवी मैम, मेरी गवर्नमेंट जॉब लगेगी क्या? देखा, ऐसे ही होता है. I try to wind up everything and then it comes. 1 second. Pooja, nahi yaar, it is not very positive card for time being. It is just not very positive, but you have to keep trying and maybe after some time you can come back. और फिर मैं आपकी रीडिंग वापस लूँगी, लेकिन अभी के लिए तो आई डोंट सी एनी पॉजिटिव कार्ड. इतने सारे मैसेजेस अभी वापस टाइप कर दिए. Okay, so Pooja, all the best. You can answer. You can again come whenever I'm live, and I will give you the answer. We will see the card that time, and we will definitely get in touch with you. Okay. Bye, everybody. See y'all.